Hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's story. I really did. And I hope that you all remember to do something really special for your mums to make their day. Okay, today, since our story was all about a chick and his mummy, I decided today we should do a song about chicks. And first of all, I made one. And you could make your chick too, whether you do it on a page and make it a lovely painting with chicks out in the field. That would be good. Or you can make a little single one like that. You can make 5. I've actually made 5 of them and you're going to see them in a minute in our song. I have used a bit of plastic and I put a blob of paint, and you're going to see here how to do it. You put the blob of paint on your page and you use a fork. So you have to ask Mummy if you can use one of her forks. And it'll need a really good wash after you've used it. Use the fork to pull the paint out and make your fluffy chick. Once you've made your chick, then you can decorate it by putting on eyes, either with paint, or if you've got wobbly eyes, even better. And you can make a beak using a diamond shape and 2 little legs like I have. Okay, we're going to sing 5 little chicks went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen says, cluck, 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 clack, and 4 little chicks come wandering back. You try and join in, okay? 5 little chicks. 5 little chicks went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen said, cluck, 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 clack, and 4 little chicks came wandering back. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little chicks went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen said, cluck, 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 clack, and 3 little chicks came wandering back. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 little chicks went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen says, cluck, 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 clack, and 2 little chicks came wandering back. 1, 2. 2 little chicks went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen says, cluck, 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 clack, and 1 little chick came wandering back. 1 little chick went walking one day into the barn and around the hay. Mother hen said, cluck, 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 clack, and 5 little chicks came wandering back. Let's count them, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, everybody. That's great singing. Okay, here's another song that we can sing together, and it's called I'm a Little Chick. I'm a little chick, yellow and soft. I was born in a hayloft. I play all day and I cheep, 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 and back to the barn where I sleep, sleep, sleep. Well done. Thank you everyone for singing along with me today in our 2 great songs about chicks. Now it comes time for me to show you some of the wonderful photos that have been sent to me by your mums and dads. I'm delighted to get them, boys and girls. and please keep them coming so we can all see what wonderful work you're doing at home. It's just great. I am very aware, boys and girls, that we have visitors joining us as well watching these videos, and I would like to welcome them and say thank you to them. I've had a few pictures sent to me of boys and girls who are not in the nursery, and that is great. I'm more than happy to get them, and I love to be able to show them as well. Also, big brothers and sisters, if you're watching too, you feel free to send your pictures in. I'd be more than happy to show them too. Until tomorrow, boys and girls, take care, enjoy the sunshine, stay safe. Bye.